Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, traction control, daytime running lights, fog lights, tailgate lock, headlights auto off, mirror memory, running boards, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.